Hi friends, welcome to the class. In this lecture we will discuss about the integration. It's A-level mathematics. So integration can be used to find the area, volume, central point and many useful things, but it is the easiest way to finding the area between the functions and the x-axis. So it is a function. Suppose this is the function, the curve of the function, and this is the x-axis. So between that region we have to find the area. So for finding the area we have to break it down into different parts, like slicing the each area, this, and this part is called delta x. So delta x plus delta x plus delta x, we have to add up all the areas. Like this is a very tiny part is also delta x, and delta x is written dx. Delta x means dx, slice approaching to zero width. So a lot of adding up. Finding integral is a reverse process of derivative. So we can say integration of 2x is equal to x square. So 2x is integration x square plus c, and derivative of 2x square c is 2x, because the derivative of x square equal to 2x. More about the c plus. The simple example can be confirmed by calculating the area is line this one, and the x-axis, that is x square. So that is a base into height, half into base into height, that is x square we can find. So integration sometime very easy. So notation is this is a integration, integral symbol, and 2x is a function we want to integrate, and ds is the slice along the x-axis. After the integral symbols, we put the function to want to integral called the integrate. To find the integral, called the integrand. Here dx means the slice go to x direction. So 2x dx equal to x square plus c. So plus c. Why plus c? All the function whose derivative is 2x here, 2x integrand, that is x square. So x square plus 4, x square plus 3, and here x square minus 3. So all the function whose derivative will be 2x, but their integral is this one. So here maybe any constant can be added. So that's why here c can hold any value like 4 plus 3 or minus 6. So we have to add the constant, because you can say here is a plus 0, plus 4, plus 3, minus 6. That's why any constant is adding this one, their derivative will be 2x. That's why we have to add this one. So derivative of x square equal to 2x, x square plus 4 is 2x, and x square 99 is also 2x. When they reverse the operation, finding the integral, we can add to 2x, but there can be constant of any value. That can be possible. Like practical approach, tap and tank. The input before integration is the flow rate of the tap. We can integrate that flow, add up all the little bits of water to give a volume of water like tank. So flow of rate is a flow, it's a time. Fill up, so volume equal to it's a slope 1. Here it is a sum up, that will be volume, and derivative is finding the rate. Derivative is finding it at what rate they are coming. So integration of 1 is x here, and derivative of x is 1. Like 1 is integration x, so plus c, so derivative of x is 1. Now and increasing the flow rate. So derivative, you can say it's a 2x, so it will be 2x square. Their sum up will be x square, and derivative will be 2x. Here you can see x square plus c, and derivative is also 2x. Okay. Here, so integration flow rate 2x. Let us the volume is 2x equal to x square plus c, and derivative of x square plus c is 2x. So it's a flow rate, and this is the derivative. So other function we can take x equal to cos x dx. So derivative of cos x dx is sin x. So integration of cos x is sin x, and sin x derivative is cos x. Like x cube is we have the formula x to the power n, x n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here 3, the 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 4 upon 4. 4 by 4, 4 all over 4 you can find. Learn the rules of integration and practice, like volume, definite and indefinite integral. What is definite integral? Suppose we have to find the area which is going to infinite, and here we have the range. like definite integral a to b fx dx, and this is indefinite. This goes be any more longer. Okay, so this is all about this part, and we will meet in the next class. So if you like, please subscribe and follow me, and also comment what topic, next topic you want the video. I will provide you. Okay, so thank you so much guys, have a great day, enjoy.